So yeah, this is crazy. I'm standing inside of a lizard enclosure that I built for my lizards. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all clicking. We are finally done with the lace monitor enclosure. I've been working on this since April, and it has basically taken up all of my spare time. A lot of late nights and weekends, but I finally got it done, and we are about to put the lace monitors in there tonight. I'm really excited about this, so let's go over a few things in the enclosure and then we'll put them in. Alright, so here's the female. The male is actually in this tube. So I'm going to put him right there. This is actually the male, the possible male, not real sure, maybe female, is in that one. So I'm going to put the male right here. This is extremely dangerous. They can fight, they can do anything at this point. It's really interesting. The male is hanging around where he is familiar with the smell. For the most part he was, but the female, she took off. Now he's walking around. So they're just getting an idea of their surroundings. They're very nervous right now. You can see the female is up high. That's where they feel comfortable. I'm assuming the male doesn't even feel comfortable enough right now to climb. He's just really hanging on to his log that he's familiar with. He's venturing out now. He's kind of climbing this log. He was. Alright, what's up guys? So we have the lace monitors in the enclosure and they are doing quite well so far. We have this male right here, and then we have female right there, and then the probable male is up there in the top right corner. But yeah, they're doing great. They've already eaten. We got a couple mice down here on the ground. These are frozen thawed mice that are humanely killed. I never feed my animals live food. I do think that it's good enrichment for them, but it always makes me feel bad, so I don't feed live food. But yeah, they're in here and they are walking around, exploring, checking everything out. They seem to be happy so far. They're kind of finding their area that they like to be in, exploring, smelling things. The male is rubbing his tail all over stuff to mark his territory. So far so good. No fights, no tussles, a little bit of bowing up to each other, but it's primarily between the two larger ones, which I think are both males. And then the female, she's just doing her thing. So yeah, we so far so good, and I'm really excited about this project. Lace monitors have been a really long time dream of mine, and I really hope these guys decide to breed for me. That's just awesome. These guys are going to get huge. They can get up to like 6.5 to 7 feet long. It'll take them a while to get that max size, but right now they're growing 1 inch a week, which is why I started on this enclosure so long ago. So yeah, this is crazy. I'm standing inside of a lizard enclosure that I built for my lizards. It's wild. This is just crazy, and I love the way that it looks. I love the way it turned out. I just really hope that they like it and it fits their needs and they reproduce for me. So we'll see how it turns out. Y'all stay tuned. If y'all like this video, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. We got more truck stuff coming. Like I said, hopefully start of next year I'll be starting to learn to weld and build my own compound or triple turbo setup for the truck. That's the next project. I figured out how to do this, so hopefully I can figure out how to do that too, and we'll keep y'all posted.